Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Planner 5D YouTube channel. Today, you will experience the enchanting atmosphere of the Harry Potter universe as we showcase from magical bedrooms inspired by the Hogwarts houses, Gryffindor, Hufflepuff, Ravenclaw, and Slytherin. But before you see them, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the Planner 5D channel. Let the magic begin. Gryffindor opens the list of bedrooms inspired by Hogwarts houses. The emblematic animal is a lion, and its colors are scarlet and gold. Choose a dark wooden floor and stone walls to recreate a castle atmosphere. Rounded windows will be a great choice for this bedroom. Choose French doors from the catalog, close them, and set up appropriate sizes to make them look like windows. Copy the object to add more windows. Add long curtains for each window and change the color to red, the color of the house. Red wooden paneling would be a great decorative element here to highlight the Gryffindor vibe. Create several blocks consisting of the same material to make an interesting pattern on this wall. A bed with peaks will complement the interior. Change the textile colors to red and gold as the main Gryffindor colors. Choose the color of wood. Don't forget about other essential elements such as night tables and a rug. The rug's width should be bigger than the bed's. The desk should be located near the window. Choose the same material as for the bed. Add a chair. Then create a space for book storage. Choose the material and copy the object to make a big closet the same height as the wall. Choose the painting and add the book's image to make the project look good, and avoid adding each book separately. Add a wooden ladder to complete the design and make the home library more convenient. Place a fireplace on an empty wall. Change the color and materials. Add a dresser for extra storage. To increase the sense of belonging to Gryffindor, let's recreate the curtains with symbols that were in Hogwarts. Place them on each side of the fireplace and increase their length. Red armchairs will allow you to admire the fire and remind you of the original Gryffindor room. Also, add a rug and a fabric ottoman. Place to Gothic lamps to create a magical vibe. The centerpiece of the fireplace is a house symbol, the lion. This room might also be in a house, so add a roof. These wooden beams will add a more mysterious touch. Click to add a new floor for the roof. Change the size and color. The bedroom for Gryffindor fans is now ready. Blue sky and a bronze eagle. This bedroom is for you, Ravenclaw fans. The key elements, such as the floor and walls, will be decorated with dark wood to make bright accents look even more vivid. Choose windows similar to those of Hogwarts Castle. The color of the material should match the floor and walls. Additionally, add a wooden block to create a windowsill. Make the door the same as the windows for better combination and consistent design. Add classical curtains for each window, changing the color of the textile to blue and the decor to bronze. Brown wood wall paneling will make the appearance of your room more interesting. Change the wall color to blue. The bed, as a key element, should have an unusual form. Angles with peaks will create a wizard school atmosphere. Wood and textile colors should align with the house's main colors. The bedroom should not only remind you of Hogwarts, but also be comfortable and functional. Add enough storage space with 3 wardrobes. Night tables should again be made of the same material, with an interesting detail: bronze handles. A bronze blanket will also add a decorative and cozy vibe. To make it more comfortable, choose an ottoman with wooden elements and a white rug of an unusual form. Create one more place for storage by adding a closet with glass doors. There you can store everything you like, such as Ravenclaw figures, a snitch, and much more. The coziest thing in these bedrooms is a fireplace. Arrange it opposite to the bed. Near the fireplace, add a table and chair for the reading zone. Above the table, add bookshelves. With the house symbol on the painting over the fireplace. It will totally create a magical vibe. To enhance it, add some more decor. A Gothic clock will complement the bed. Don't forget to change the color to bronze. Bronze sconces will become necessary lighting sources. Be cautious, now the magic will happen. Make the ceiling resemble a night sky. Doesn't it look magically beautiful? Hufflepuff is next. The emblematic animal of the house is a badger, with yellow and black as the main colors. Let's begin with the window, walls, and floor. The window should be round to evoke the atmosphere of Hogwarts Castle. Black walls symbolize one of the house colors, and the floor texture should create a vibe reminiscent of the castle. When choosing the bed, avoid something overly gothic, as Hufflepuff is associated with earth. Opt for something with rounded angles. A stone wall will contribute to the castle atmosphere, while green decor reflects Hufflepuff students' proficiency in herbology. Add a black grid to the window and change the stone wall and bed color to black. Increase the size of the bed headboard and make it more rounded. Instead of artificial materials, select a natural night table, like a stump. Rugs and other textiles should resonate with the key colors, black and yellow. Curtains in a style consistent with the theme would be the best option. Incorporate a wooden dresser for additional storage, ensuring its color matches the wooden night table. No magic without a fireplace, right? Include this cozy element in black color. What else reminds you of Hogwarts Castle? Tons of books. Add floor shelves and use a painting with a book image to make the project look beautiful. Create a cozy reading space. Add a rug, a chair, a pillow, and a blanket, ensuring color consistency. Coffee tables and decorations like candlesticks, flowers, and clocks should align with the chosen materials. The focal point is above the fireplace, featuring a painting with the house emblem and wall sconces imitating candles. Include a wardrobe and one more smaller dresser for extra storage. Ensure they match the chosen color and materials. A mysterious mirror near the wardrobe would be a perfect addition. Add decorations for atmosphere and change the color of candles to yellow. The first thing you'll notice upon opening the door is a yellow plant corresponding to Earth and herbology. Would you like to live in such a bedroom, Hufflepuff fans? The fourth house is Slytherin, perhaps one of the most mysterious faculties, with a snake on the emblem and green and silver as the house's colors. Choose rounded windows and make them as tall as the wall to emphasize the status and remind you of life in the castle. A dark wooden floor will complement the atmosphere perfectly. The door should complement the style of the window. Don't forget to change the color to black. A Gothic, mysterious bed with peaks is an excellent choice for the Slytherin bedroom. Change the bed's color to black and the textile to dark green and white to highlight its belonging to the house. To make the bed look more majestic, add a canopy over it. Choose suitable curtains and adjust their size and color to match the bed textile. Duplicate this element twice to create a more private zone around the bed. Next, consider other essential elements such as night tables, a closet, and 2 additional closets with open shelves. Ensure that materials and colors are consistent with other furniture. Between the closets with shelves, there is a perfect space for a desk. Add a comfortable armchair. It would be a great spot to read a book. Include a wooden black paneling to fill the space, and decorative sconces resembling candles, books, candlesticks. This place looks completed. The same closet with open shelves will look good in the fireplace space. Add paneling and a key element to a mantle. Decorate with a clock, books, candlesticks, and plants to create a mysteriously cozy atmosphere. Add an ottoman to admire the fire and more storage space with additional open shelves. The final touch is the chandelier. Choose one in a Gothic style. Change the wall color to dark mode. The bedroom inspired by Slytherin is now ready. Let's recap all 4 bedrooms inspired by Hogwarts houses: Gryffindor, Hufflepuff, Ravenclaw, and Slytherin. Which room do you like the most? Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.